Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. So I've been doing a bunch of welding lately, and I had pulled out my fire extinguishers in the aspect of knowing I was probably going to be doing some welding. And I got to be careful with this one because the pin's not in it. But regardless, make sure you have your pin. I need to go find one that I can put in there. But regardless, when I did that video of I think it's something like what you didn't know about fire extinguishers. Here's something I didn't know about what I was telling you all. And I got a few comments on that video, and I thought I should go ahead and make this one as well. But I was there holding these like this and tapping on them. Which, yet again, I heard this somewhere a long time ago, don't even remember exactly where it was, and I think it was back when my kids were little at a hospital event where they had a bunch of firemen coming there. And so I had probably forgot this part of it. But I got a few comments saying when you do that, you want to hold it upside down. So I've been doing this for a lot of years the incorrect way probably. I'm sure it probably still unsettles things or whatever, but I have been doing this incorrectly. And another side note that one of them talked about is you technically should have your extinguishers checked every year. And like he said, he does fire stuff and he doesn't even do it every year, but you technically should have it checked every year. In my area, you can bring them to the local fire station and have them checked. Although, also, the ones that I have, you can't refill them or anything like that, I don't believe. So, some you can actually, once you use them, you can actually have them refilled as well. But I don't think any of mine, maybe the big one I have would work that way. And honestly, I probably should take that in. And I would, you know, something you should do. Whether or not you do it, that's up to you. But, that is a technical thing, that these things are kind of like medicine. After a year, they're considered to be expired. So keep that in mind. I have a ton of them around my shop, and I've had some sit for literally decades before I use them. And I have used a fire extinguisher probably 3 or 4 times, not only on my own car. The Mustang had a big fire, that's why I shut it down. But actually driving home from work one day, I luckily had one in my car and was able to put out another car that was on the side of the road fire. And then another one where I didn't have one, unfortunately, but we were able to get his hood popped, and I used my coat and put out his fire. So fire happens, and yet another reason why I need to make sure all my cars have fire extinguishers in them. So there you go. Now you and I know the proper, more likely proper way of doing it than what I showed you in the last one, and it makes sense. Like I said, it was from a long time ago I'd heard it, so I just do it every now and then. So go ahead and turn them upside down when you do that. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully you got something out of this. I know I did. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all, and obviously master of none. You all have a good one.